I am holding a revolution. This is probably the most versatile living wall and vertical garden system on the planet because it's easy to use. It's American made. It's made right here in St. Louis, actually, and we can ship these anywhere. And the tray has a lot of different features. We've got water holding cells in the bottom, and our drip irrigation line goes through the bottom of the tray through these receptor holes that are in here. And that enables us to put 2 drippers in each tray, and then they fill the bottom of the tray, and then the sock holding the plants sits right on top of it, all shaped the same. So your plants would be in here, roots are down here sipping up the water in the bottom. It's a very efficient watering system, and it's all made possible by the really unique and lifetime lasting Varden tray. And to show you how the tray works, it snaps onto our structural wire and snaps in place with a nice audible click. It can't get off side to side or up and down. And then you repeat these trays across the wire, run your drip irrigation in, set your soil-filled Varden sock in there, and you're ready to plant.